Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on and enable usage and diagnostics on your Android smartphone. So whether it's a Samsung Galaxy or Google Pixel device or another Android type of device, if you're looking for information as to what usage and diagnostics is on your phone and how you would enable or disable it, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the settings gear button. And then you want to scroll down again and select the security and privacy tile. And then scroll all the way down underneath other settings and select more security and privacy. And then you want to scroll down again underneath usage and diagnostics, share data to help improve Android. Go ahead and select that. So if you want to enable usage and diagnostics, go ahead and click inside this oval one time so you can read a little bit more about what exactly usage and diagnostics entails down here. So help improve your Android device experience by automatically sending diagnostic device and app usage data to Google. This will help battery life, system and app stability, and other improvements. Some aggregate data will also help Google apps and partners such as Android developers. If your additional web and app activity setting is turned on, this data may be saved to your Google account. This is general information about your device and how you use it, such as battery level, system and app activity, and errors. The data will be used to improve Android devices, and some aggregated information will also help Google apps and partners, such as Android developers, make their apps and products better. Turning off this feature does not affect your device's ability to send the information needed for essential services, such as system updates and security. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.